everyone, Alex Kennedy here with REV Car Wash, and this week we're going to be focusing on the exterior of the car for our older models with our Fade Defy. Let's get started. First, you'll open the cap and put a dime-sized amount of the Fade Defy on the sponge, then apply it to the area in question. Let it set for a minute or two, then use the other side of the sponge to buff the area clean.
Thank you for joining us this week on Tips and Tricks. I'm Alex Kennedy. Make sure to follow REV Car Wash on all social media platforms. #REV Your Ride, and we'll see you next week.